Welcome to Gadget Show Tech and another unboxing of this TV that I picked up in Black November, the Samsung Neo QLED QNX 1D 55-inch milli quantum dot LEDs. They're Samsung TVs, they're full of new tech. The NQ4 AI Gen 2 processor. It's giving you Neo Quantum HDR, Supreme UHD dimming, motion accelerator, 120 Hz, 4K AI upscaling, using AI and 20 neural networks. There we go. Easy peasy. We've got the little legs. This is all the plug, batteries for the remote control, and some paperwork here, probably like how to connect the legs and stuff. So this is a 55-inch, that's a 65, and this 65 is lighter. Unlike the 65-inch TV there, this has got a brushed alloy edging, really nice. Connectivity on this TV, you've got your satellite and your terrestrial antennas. You've also got the HDMIs, there's 4 of them, and you've also got a couple of USBs. Brilliant. Underneath the TV you've got the power on button, and at the back here, this is where you put the legs, and they just slot in and connect, just slip up like that. Power lead's really pretty nice. It's got a little bent angle, but it goes flush in here. It's a bit tight to put in, but it doesn't stick out to the wall, so you can have it nice and close. This little thing here, it's got these little channels. You can run the cable in there, keep them all tidy. So I'm going to select smartphone. It says add to SmartThings. It says connecting. It asks you for your Wi-Fi network, and when you do that, the TV is then set up to connect to the internet without you having to go through those settings. Living room, set as my favourite, and it wants to know my voice assistant. Well, I don't have Alexa in this room, so I'm going to select Bixby. Now it says enjoy your Samsung TV, and as you can see, the TV's changed. It's now downloading an add-on.
Japanese international.